Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2, we're going to be going over Chapter 2, Lesson 5. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, so today we're going to be going over the quadratic formula, and here is a formula here that we're going to be using. The leading coefficient in front of the x squared is your a, the leading coefficient in front of your x is your b, and then c is just your constant, like always. Alright, so we're going to be also talking about using the discriminant, which is this lovely formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. And if we happen to get a negative number, we're going to know we have 0 x-intercepts, which also mean that we're going to have 0 real solutions. If we get 0 as our discriminant when we plug everything in, we get 1 x-intercept and 1 real solution. If it happens to be positive, that's when we're going to have 2 x-intercepts and 2 real solutions. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this example. So we have x squared plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Always make sure it's in the correct order. And from here we can see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 9. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in our information. So we have negative, and make sure you're showing the parentheses just because we may have more than one negative. B in this case is just going to be 10, so plug in 10, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 10 squared, minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Now let's go ahead and simplify this. Negative times 10 is just negative 10, or you can think about it as negative 1 times 10, which is negative 10, plus or minus the square root, and 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100, minus negative 4 times 1, which is negative 4, times 9, which will give us negative 36. And this can be all divided by 2. Then we have negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 64 divided by 2. And move up here. Alright, so then we have negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 64, which will give us 8. And that's going to all be divided by 2. From here, what we need to do is we need to split our equation, our solutions. Because what we have here, we have a plus solution and a minus solution. So negative 10 plus 8 divided by 2. Then we have negative 10 minus 8 divided by 2. So negative 10 plus 8 is 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Negative 1. Then add your plus sign. Negative 10 plus negative 8 will give us negative 18. Negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. So these are your two solutions. We'll say x solutions. Notice it's in a set notation. Negative 9 is smaller. And there we go.